Hi there.
What's up, bro?
Oh,
You got today?
at the little island. Whoa,
Trippy, right?
Trippy.
So today we are exploring the little island. Me and PapiJuan came out here to take some photos, some good video. Just trying to enjoy the day too. It was a beautiful day, beautiful weather. If you come during peak hours, you definitely need some reservations.
From 6 to 11:30,
Yeah.
or 8 to 1.
So where exactly are we?
So we are on a little island on 14th and 12th, right by the West Side Highway, and it's the newest addition to New York City's park escapades. This was a project that took about 6 years to build, roughly $265 million of taxpayer money to give you guys another place to hang out for the summer. So very nice.
What we just finished exploring?
So we just finished exploring the little island. It's nice. It's actually nicer parks, but it's nice. The structure of the whole park is beautiful. I think that you get a lot of different dynamics from the maze-like dynamic, sort of maze-like. What's the like? It's like a rat maze. You just go in there, and you get lost and all that stuff. It's beautiful. They have a liquor license, so you can drink. They've got good food. I think people are eating, so it must be good. But honestly, guys, I think you have to enjoy the outside of it first before you go inside, because that's where the real beauty of the structure is.
Absolutely. I think he has a great point. I think this is one of those places that, you know, as you can see behind me, that it looks dope from the outside. And when you go inside, I mean, it looks like a regular, cool, brand new park, because it's kind of very generic nowadays. Most parks do look very modern and have food and stuff and different options. But it does look really dope from the outside. Our content has taken a shift. We have some really amazing feedback thanks to those that are actually watching. Let me fix this lighting.